The guy who's just heard about Linux gets all of this free AM motivation. He tries it out in a VM. I'm gonna learn how to use Linux. He tries his programs and one of them doesn't work. So he goes onto the internet how to install a program that doesn't work. And he tries it. And he clicks on the first link. And there's stuff in the terminal. And the terminal's scary. Me no use terminal. Terminal be scary. Right? And then he uses this motivation. He loses this motivation and he quits for another 3 weeks until this repeats. Let me tell you exactly how to fix this problem. And I hope somebody has told me this when I started out. So I have two solutions for you. The first one, pretty simple, just find an alternative. Find another program. There's plenty of free programs that are better, and you don't even have to pay for the subscription if it was something like that anymore, right? If you want to use Photoshop, which you paid for monthly, well, just I'd use GIMP. But nobody uses GIMP. GIMP is weird. You can go online and use something like Photopea. It's free, and it's almost exactly like Photoshop without the, like, basically it's Photoshop for free online. And you can do this with all the programs. But what if you have a bunch of programs you're super used to and you don't want to find alternatives? Second option might actually be that Linux is just not for you and you might want to stay with Windows or something. I know you don't like this, but if you go onto Linux just because you think it's gonna be good, no particular reason, and you wanna spend hours of your time relearning everything, getting frustrated on your programs not working, finding alternatives, go ahead. But if you don't want to do that, which you will have to do if you're used to a lot of programs, especially paid ones and stuff like that from big companies, a lot of times don't work on Linux. Linux might just not be for you. Right, let's say you want to learn Linux because of programming. You can still learn programming on Windows. And there's no problem with that, right? Eventually you might want to learn Linux, yes, but maybe not right now. If the programming case is for you, you might as well watch this video that talks about programming, and it might help you a lot, because nobody talks about this. And this helped me a lot when I learned about this myself.